Hi everyone, so this little video is going to help you get your Teacher for a Day project up on the wiki. And the first thing I want to say is I am using Screencast-O-Matic instead of Screener because I have 15 minutes instead of only 5, and so that might be an advantage for you. It is free. There's another advantage. And as you see, there's a little picture-in-picture of me down in the bottom right-hand corner. You can not use that feature if you don't want to have a picture of yourself, whatever, it's up to you. So what I want to do is, you see, we're over here in the wiki, and I want to remind you of the tools that you can use for doing your assignment, and it is in How to Do Stuff, and the name of the page is Tools for Your Presentations. And so if you go to this page here, again, the folder is How to Do Stuff, and the page is Tools for Your Presentations. We've discussed this before, but I just want to remind you, because the video that you make, let's say if you're using QuickTime with your Mac, it's a file on your Mac. You have to get that up to the wiki, and you need to go by a third party. If you just take the file from your Mac and you put it up on the wiki, it's probably not going to work because the file is going to be too big and the wiki's not set up for that kind of a thing. So you need to take your file, your QuickTime movie file, and upload it somewhere else. That's what we call a third party, so YouTube, Vimeo, wherever. Unless, of course, you use some of these options here. I showed you Jing, and I'm pretty sure that Jing gives you what is called an embed code. I know Screener also gives you an embed code. And Meograph, I don't think anybody's going to be using Meograph. You haven't said anything to me about it. Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I'm using right here. So once you've got, let's say that you used your QuickTime and you wanted to get that onto the wiki. Here's what I suggest you do. You can go into your Google Drive and you can just simply click on Upload and upload your QuickTime file. You can choose the file format too. This is an AVI file because this is the video that I made of today's class, Biology and Culture, and so I uploaded it to my Google Drive. And why that's really cool is because it gives me an embed code. And if after you've uploaded it you don't see the embed code right away, well then just wait a couple of minutes and it'll come eventually. So how do I find my code? Go into File, and here it is, embed this video. And so let's copy, I need to do this anyway, so I'm going to do it right here. Copy this embed code. I'm going to go over to the wiki, and I'm pretending now that I'm a student and I want to embed my project. I want to put my project on a wiki, so I'm going to come down to this folder that I just made, Teacher for a Day. And you see there are no pages in this folder? That's because you have to create a page. So where can you create a page? Right over here at the top right, it says create a page. Click on that, and I want you to use the same naming policy as for the Google Docs. So the first 3 letters of your last name and the first letter of your first name, and then Teacher for a Day, and then whatever topic, biology and culture. When you're giving wiki titles to wiki pages, you can't use any characters such as exclamation marks or asterisks or question marks, and you can't leave a space after the last character that you typed. All right? Now you're going to put it in a folder. I'm not sure that the writers have this permission. I hope you do. Put it in a folder, in this folder here, Teacher for a Day, October 2013. And if you don't have the option of putting it in the folder, then I'm going to show you another way to create your page. And then just click on Create Your Page. Now the page opens up. It's already in the edit mode. That's what you need. Come over to Insert, all the way down to HTML, and put your cursor right there in the box. Control V, paste your code. You won't see this option, Allow JavaScript. That's for the administrators. So don't worry about that. Just click Next, insert the plugin, and then save your page, and your video will appear. All right, so that's for a video that doesn't have an embed code, and you need to get an embed code. So for example, something that you do locally to your machine, like QuickTime. For the other options, Jing and Screener and Screencast-O-Matic, they come with embed code. So if I go over to one of the videos that I made recently on Screener, how about like I'll take this one here, EasyBib for your bibliographies. Here you have the URL and the embed code if you use Screener, and then just grab that embed code and do the same thing. And I'm almost 100% positive that you also get an embed code with Jing, and you get an embed code with Screencast-O-Matic. So that's how you get the wiki onto a wiki page. So let me just go back now and say, well, what if when I'm creating my page, I can't see what folder to put it in? If you don't see that folder option, then instead of creating a page over here on the top right, come into Pages and Files, and you're going to go down and find the folder where your project needs to be, this one here, TFAD, October 2013, and you know that you're in the right folder, or you know that you're in the folder because you'll see a very pale blue horizontal line that goes across that folder. And so once you're inside the folder, come up to this thing here that says New and click on Create a Page, and TFAD, whoops, I forgot my naming, BAMD, TFAD, duplicate page, let's say. And here I'm seeing this option, put this page in a folder, but even if that option is not there for you because you're a writer, this page will automatically be created within that folder. And why this is important is because I don't want to run around looking for your work. I want it all in that folder. And so that's it. That's how you get your work onto the wiki. And remember, the deadline is the 23rd, so that means on the morning of the 23rd, we will, we're going to be having a conversation. That's our 20% evaluation, and Mr. Lafrance will be in class with us that day. But on the morning of the 23rd, I should see your work up on the wiki. So no need for USB sticks. There's no mailing me any files or anything. Just upload it right to the wiki, and we can enjoy one another's work from there. So if you have any questions at all, you know where to reach me.